Hey guys, so we are standing inside the skeleton of our new youth rooms. So as you can see, we just started framing today. And it's clearly a job site again. So super excited. We should be having our electricians and plumbers starting also this week, but we're really starting to see some progress here. So as you can see, we've removed the stairs from the second floor. So we gotta have a way to get up there, at least temporarily. Thank you, Ramon. We're gonna use your scaffolding. Kids, don't try this at home, okay? It's pretty safe, actually. So don't worry about it, but seriously, don't try this at home. All right, here we go. So, sadly, I think we had a bird get in here yesterday at some point. And then if you can't tell, this floor is really sticky still from the glue. So he flew in here and got stuck and he died overnight. And my daughter, Araceli, found him right now. Say hi, honey. So we are having to do the dirty work here. Oh. 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 Oh, gross. Oh, poor guy. Sad face. Oh, he's pretty. Okay, so these doors are the main entry into the lobby. So this is our big lobby here. And then over here to the left is the youth room. So youth/multi-purpose room. And then here on this wall is gonna be kids check-in. So child check-in will be right there. And then this will be the main entrance into the kids area where people drop their kids off. This will be a hallway right here. And then this will be one kid's room and a second kid's room. And then you'll come through this door and then we have 1, 2, 3 more kids' classrooms. Oh, wow. And then right here is gonna be a new door. So this will be a new entry exit for mostly exit. We're gonna use it as an exit for, if people wanna pick their kids up, or if we, it's for egress purposes also, for fire. And then this will be a door that's always locked from the outside, or from the inside, both that door and this door. You can only get out this way. And then the stairs are gonna land right here to go up, and there will be a landing to walk on over there. And then this is the sanctuary. So there's gonna be a double door right there and a double door right there. And then the stage will be down on that wall. And then this is a hallway that we're in right here. And this is a hallway. There's two exit doors on the back of the sanctuary to come out to this hallway. This is a storage closet. And then this is our kitchen. So we'll have a refrigerator right here, a countertop with a sink in it. And then Nathan, the cameraman, is now standing in the janitor's closet. So you're standing right where the mop sink is gonna be. And then we'll have a water heater right here and just storage/cleaning closet. And then we have 2 existing little family bathrooms back here. Yeah, so this is what the sanctuary looks like from the back of the house. Our AV booth is gonna be kind of right where Daniel is standing, and then we have 2 door openings for people to come out if they would need to use these bathrooms. So it's pretty neat. We got a lot of stuff going on. And then this guy that we saw over here in that room is one of the electricians. He's prepping the walls for all of our plugs right now. So yeah, we're making some good progress here.